there, gamers! Ready to take your PUBG Mobile experience to the next level? Well, I've got the lowdown on some tweaks that will make those enemy footsteps sound like thunder on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. Then, give a gentle tap to the upward arrow icon on the main dashboard. After that, locate and tap on Settings. Next up, switch over to the Graphics and Audio settings. Now, navigate to the Audio tab. After that, crank up the SFS quality to Ultra. Now it's time to max out both the master and SFX volume. Alright, now let's bring down the firearm and vehicle sounds to around 40%. Oh, and don't forget to silence that background music. Now with these tweaks, you should be able to hear those sneaky enemy footsteps in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, even if they are as quiet as a mouse. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're hungry for more PUBG Mobile tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.